a slam, slam, slam. You start the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat pounds my head, let's get started. We're getting bumped, then we crash. Waiting in the rock, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my new.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fourth member of the GINYU force, the Blue Hurricane himself, Burter. I meant to say burter. Alright guys, tonight we're gonna draw Burter from Dragon Ball Z Kai. Oh, sorry, I meant to say burter. His name really sounds like Burter. He's one of my favorite members from the GINYU force. He's one of the fastest members. And he's got unrenowned and incredible speed. Oh yeah, I already told you that. The members of the GINYU force refer to him as the Blue Hurricane. Because he has the speed just like one. Alexa, what is a hurricane?
The noun, hurricane, can have a few meanings. 1. A violent, tropical, cyclonic storm of the western North Atlantic, having wind speeds of or in excess of 72 miles per hour, 32 meters per second. 2. A storm of the most intense severity. 3. Anything suggesting a violent storm. 4. A single-seat British fighter plane of World War II, fitted with 8.303 caliber machine guns and with a top speed in excess of 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour.
Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we get pumped, then we clash, winning in the rock, then we laugh. All this passion.
You know, having the GINYU force as good guys, that would be a good change for the Dragon Ball universe. These guys are responsible for bringing the great Saiyaman to life. Gohan got their inspiration from them. It's complete. That is how you draw Burter from Dragon Ball Z. One of the strongest members of the GINYU force. One of the fastest members of the GINYU force. Get ready, folks. More Dragon Ball fighters are coming your way. Stegosaurus, see you later. We're going to draw the rest of the GINYU force real soon. That's a promise.